The new Surface Pro is a hair lighter. Its fanless outline limits a thin vent around the external edge, and its discretionary console cover is accessible with Alcantara texture, like the covering found on the new Surface laptop. $909.99 at Amazon.com. Be that as it may, at a brisk look, these are two peas in a pod. At the end of the day, there's another maxim at work here: if it ain't broke, don't settle it. The Surface Pro's fundamental stylish and ergonomic thoughts have remained for all intents and purposes unaltered since the Surface Pro 4. $719.99 at Amazon.com. Now a year and a half old, and just somewhat changed since the Surface Pro 3, which is the place this product offering at long last hit its walk. This is as yet the best quality level of Windows tablets. Regardless, it feels present day enviable, in spite of just incremental changes. Advancement is, by definition, a moderate procedure. Yet, anybody searching for a greater, more sensational change, or motivation to overhaul from a more established Surface Pro, may feel somewhat baffled in this unadventurous refresh. The screen bezel could be more slender. The ports could be refreshed to incorporate USB-C. The odd disengage of driving you to purchase the tablet and its must-have console cover independently could have been tended to by incorporating it in the container. It's still $129 for an essential console cover, or $169 for the fancier shading form secured with Alcantara texture. Truth be told, the new Surface Pro moves the other way, removing the Surface Pen stylus from the default loadout, and now offering it independently. The new pen is $99, while most past Surface Pros came packaged with the more seasoned model pen, which is as yet accessible for around $60.